please prepare for our final relaxation. Laying down on your back, spreading the feet as wide as the mat to allow the hips to remain open. The arms are slightly away from the sides of the body, with the palms of the hands turned up to the sky. You may tuck your chin to your chest, just a centimeter or two, to lengthen the back of the neck. And allow your body to remain perfectly still. The stillness of the body guides you into a deeper, relaxed state. You may begin with 2 or 3 deep, relaxing breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Bringing your awareness to your toes and feet. With each gentle breath in through the nose, bringing fresh healing energy into the body. And with each gentle breath out through the nose, relaxing your body with your breath and your mind. Feeling a wave of relaxation flowing into the calf muscles, the back of the lower legs. The relaxation flowing into the muscles around the shins, the front of the lower legs. And the wave of relaxation flowing into the thighs, the top of the upper legs. And relaxation flowing into the back of the legs and the buttocks. And the wave of relaxation flowing into the hips and pelvis. Allowing the reproductive organs to relax. And the wave of relaxation flowing into your abdomen. Allowing all your internal organs to relax. Relaxation flowing into your chest and shoulders. Relaxing your fingers, palms, and wrists with your breath and your mind. Relaxing your forearms. Allowing the upper arms and shoulders to sink into the mat. Feeling a wave of relaxation flowing from your buttocks up through your back, relaxing your back from the bottom to the top. Feeling your spine soft and heavy, sinking deeper into the mat, letting go. Relaxation flowing into your neck and throat. Allowing all the muscles of the face to be nice and soft. Relaxing the jaw and chin. Relaxing the lips and tongue. The nose and cheeks relaxing. Softening the eyelids and eyeballs. Relaxing the muscles behind the eyes. Relaxing the eyebrows and forehead. Relaxing the temples and ears. Relaxing the eyebrows and forehead. Relaxing the scalp at the top of the head. Allowing the brain to relax and soften. Feeling your entire body soft and heavy, sinking deeper, letting go. Gently bringing deeper breaths into your belly, slowly coming back. Gently moving the fingers and the toes. Reaching the arms up overhead and getting a nice stretch from the fingers to the toes as you inhale, and exhaling through the mouth. Bringing your knees into your chest, giving yourself a hug to release and massage your back and spine. gently rolling on to your right side and resting your head on your right arm as a pillow. A moment of surrender and relaxation. When you feel ready, slowly coming back into the seat to finish your practice.